Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to link your Excel data to Microsoft Word, perfect for things like student lists, grades, reports, and more. Let's get started. First, make sure your Excel file is saved on your computer. In my example, I have a sheet with student IDs, names, and grades for math, chemistry, and history. Next, open Microsoft Word and type out all the attributes you want to pull from Excel. Things like ID, name, math, chemistry, history, and so on. Now go to the top menu and click Mailings. Then click Select Recipients and choose Use an Existing List. A window will open. Find and select your Excel file. A pop-up will appear. Just click OK. Then make sure Sheet 1 $, or whichever sheet you want, is selected and click OK again. Now place your cursor in front of the attribute you want to merge. For example, click next to ID. Then go to Insert Merge field and select the matching field, in this case ID. Do the same for all attributes: name, math, chemistry, history, and so on. Once everything is mapped, click Finish and Merge, then choose Edit Individual Documents. A pop-up will show. Make sure All is selected, then click OK. And just like that, Word will generate a new document with all your Excel data perfectly merged into each page. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.